Well, she may have her destinations one time, but yeah, but most of the time her destination is freedom.
No matter why you ride, Progressive has you covered with protection starting at $79 a year.
Cause she's a biker.
Real love is having the same obsessions, introducing your fur babies to each other, sharing the best parts of your lives. eHarmony, here for real. It's Mattress Firm's semi-annual sale, where you can save up to $300 on our top-rated brands like Sealy. Plus, get a free adjustable base when you spend $6.99 on Sealy, or get a $300 instant gift with a Tempur-Pedic purchase. Only at Mattress Firm.
The thing about freedom is freedom has no limits. There's no such thing as too many adventures or too many unforgettable moments.